Next we're going to do my raspberry tortes. And with this here, you can use yellow or white cake. I have, I'm using buttercream, and I'm going to use raspberry filling. I got this at a cake store. You can use raspberry jam if you like you can have a jar from the grocery store, that'd be fine, or like pie filling and stuff like that too. So anyway, I just have buttercream, and I'm just going to squirt out to my liking some raspberry into it. Again, not too much. You want to overload the buttercream and then it won't work. It will break down the buttercream. And I have almost done that. It will separate. You can see it separates a little bit. I think we're okay, but probably a little bit less would have been better. If that happens, just add more buttercream. And then go ahead and frost the cake. After you frost it, just add your crumbs or nuts. Just like the lemon torte video, I'm going to add this in the center first. And then spread it around. Just coming to about half an inch from the edge. And then add your rosettes. Now, if this had chocolate in it, you can have, there's morsels that have chocolate raspberry, and that would be great on top. But for today, I like it just left just like that. And so there is our raspberry buttercream torte.